Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The rotation into industrials, financials and smaller companies pushes the Dow Jones to new highs as the rally continues to broaden into underperforming sectors. The Dow Jones had its best day since June 2023, surging 742 points or 1.85% to close at a new record. The S&P 500 closed 0.64% higher and the Nasdaq Composite finished the day 0.2% higher as tech took a backseat to other sectors. In more good news for the smaller end of town, the small cap focused Russell 2000 surged more than 3.5% for its fifth straight day of gains, as investors continue to rotate towards the underperforming smaller companies. The Russell 2000 is now up more than 11% over the last week. Investors also cycled to shift into bigger cyclical names as the rising confidence on Fed rate policy continues to point to a rate cut sooner rather than later. Industrial bellwether Caterpillar surged more than 4%. Insurer United Health rallied more than 6% following better than expected second quarter financial results. Financials also gained after earnings from Bank of America and Morgan Stanley came in ahead of consensus. Bank of America's jumped more than 5%, while Morgan Stanley added nearly 1%. In contrast, the tech names remained muted in trading, with AI giant Nvidia closing 1.6% lower on the day and Alphabet finishing down 1.4%. According to the CME FedWatch tool, traders now see 100% odds the Fed will lower rates in September. A rate cut cycle is seen as a material positive to small caps, industrials and other cyclicals in general as borrowing costs fall. Retail sales data released on Tuesday also contributed to growing optimism that soft landing is possible. June retail sales came in unchanged versus consensus expectations of a fall. Turning to US sectors, all closed higher overnight except for tech and communication services. Following the results, industrials was the best performer, closing higher by over 2.5%. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.7% gain. Thank you for listening.